Getting to know plants part 3. Flowers. It is usually the most attractive part of a plant, also called as modified shoot. Sepals, petals, stamens and pistil are the main parts of a flower. Here in this picture you can see different parts of flower like sepal, petal, stamen, stigma and ovary. Let's discuss about each part. Parts of a flower are usually present in rings or whorl. First part is pedicel. The stalk that joins the flower to the plant is called the pedicel. Sepals. It is the outermost whorl of the flower. Often they are small, green, leaf-like structures. They protect the inner parts of a flower while it is still a bud. Petals. Inside the sepals there is the whorl of petals. Different flowers have petals of different colors. Some flowers have sweet smelling petals. With its color and fragrance, the petals attract not only the human beings but also the insects and the birds. Stamens. These are 4 to 6 in number and are male reproductive part of a flower. Each stamen is made up of two parts, filament and anther. Anther contains pollen grains. Pistil. It is the innermost part of a flower. Pistil can be divided into three parts: stigma, style and ovary. Ovary may be divided into locules. Locules contain ovules. Last part of the flower is ovules. It is the small bead-like structures inside the ovary are called ovules. Here is a brief summary of parts of a flower. From where does a plant come? A plant comes from a seed. This seed is covered with seed coat which protect the seed. This seed contains a baby plant inside. It has a tiny root towards the outer side. The tiny root is termed as radicle. It also has a tiny shoot towards the inner side. The tiny shoot is termed as plumule. Here you can see a diagram of bean seed, which is a dicot seed. It has cotyledon. Cotyledon stores the food for the growing embryo. Outermost covering is called as seed coat. Seed coat protects the growing embryo or the seed from unfavorable conditions. Radicle will form the roots and plumule will give rise to shoot. Thank you for watching.